everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I have a really quick and easy recipe for you to follow. It's shrimp scampi. Our wild-caught shrimp is one of my favorite things. Shrimp are naturally low in carbs and low in calories, so it's a great option if you're looking to shed a couple pounds or if you're looking to up your protein. This is a really quick and easy recipe, so I want to encourage you to prep everything ahead of time. As you can see here, I have butter and minced garlic. I have my zoodles, my zucchini noodles that we're going to cook up really quickly. And I also have my wine and more butter and lemon juice and parsley over here. So because the shrimp cooks so quickly, we want to make sure that we have everything prepped so we can do it all in one shot. All right, to begin with, we're gonna turn the stove on medium heat. So I've turned that on medium and actually a little bit lower because I know this stove and I know this pan and I know that they heat up really fast. So I'm gonna actually turn it down a little bit lower than medium just so that way we have a little bit more time to work with. So we're gonna go ahead and add our butter, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, and we're gonna add our minced garlic. We're gonna go ahead and let the butter melt and cook the garlic until it's fragrant, which is in about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so while my butter and garlic are cooking, I'm also going to turn on the stove here on my other pan and I'm going to start my zoodles. You can save time by purchasing frozen zoodles, or you can also spiralize them yourself. I have a spiralizer and I love doing that with my fresh zucchini from the garden, but since it's a little bit too cold out right now, I bought the frozen ones. Okay, now that this butter is sizzling and the garlic is fragrant, we're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp in here as well. Oh, it looks great. I'm gonna spread out my shrimp just so that way we can kind of evenly cook them all. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper to the shrimp. And we're gonna flip them as soon as they start to turn pink. Okay, now that these are starting to turn pink, we're gonna go ahead and flip them over. All right, now that the shrimp is pink, we're gonna go ahead and add in our white wine. And I'm gonna stir that around a little bit. Okay, great. Now that the wine has reduced by half, we're gonna go ahead and add in the remaining butter, another 2 tablespoons. And some lemon juice. And our parsley. We're gonna go ahead and combine that and get ready to serve it. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to follow this same recipe, please see the link in the description below. All right, let's plate this up with these delicious zoodles and our delicious shrimp scampi. Okay, let's add the scampi. All right, and there it is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.